can happen anywhere at any time. It only takes a few inches of water to put your safety at risk.
Severe weather can change in an instant. When floods strike, they can be more dangerous than you think. Preparation is key. Know the flood risk in your area. Stay informed with weather alerts and evacuation plans. Make a flood kit with essentials like water, food, medication, flashlight, and important documents. Emergency teams are there to help, but you play a crucial role in keeping yourself and your loved ones safe. If you live in an area at risk, don't wait. Move to higher ground early. It's better to be safe than sorry.
Flooding doesn't wait for you to be ready. Be prepared, be informed, be safe.
For more information on flood preparedness, call 02-8911-1406 or 02-8912-2665.